guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ginny from Polly's Paper Studio, and this is a project share. This mini album is created for Authentique Papers using the Nightfall collection. It is amazing, vintagey, retro, has great patterns, really fun images to work with. I created this mini that is kind of not mini. It's very chunky, which is really the best way to make a mini album. For the cover, I've layered images from the cut apart sheets, and then I created a frame with some spiderweb die cuts. I've topped it with some Little Birdie Crafts flowers, trims from Really Reasonable Ribbon. We have some enamel dots here and some die cuts of stars and leaves and a little bit of loopy twine bow. For the spine, I added a bow. And then there's also some charms that are Halloween inspired and more of that twine. So for the inside, I've got pages that work together. There are layers of the pattern paper with some die cuts here. I've got a sticker from the sticker sheet and a sentiment, and then also a small bow of plaid ribbon. For this page, I have created a few dimensional flowers using dies and the pattern paper, and then with the scraps, I created this sweet little banner to top off the die cut doily frame. For this set of pages, I've popped up the frame and added a complementary pattern. There are some stickers here from the sticker sheets and another little bow. This page has a pocket. There is another sticker that is topped with enamel dots, and these are foldable inserts, so they can hold a lot of journaling and pictures. You can add mementos in here or little flat keepsakes. And then I've clipped on a cut apart that was from the 6x6 paper pad. For this page, I have another of the cut aparts, but I popped it up on foam and added a coordinating clip. There are layers of the pattern paper and more stickers. And then this is another of the die cut spider webs, and it is a tip-in page, so I've just utilized the whole image from the cut apart and added a couple of the enamel dots here to embellish that image. So here's another insert with a tag. This time I added a little die cut star and more of that paper on the inside. There's another bow here and a sticker. For this to be sturdy enough to work on a page, I adhered it to 110-pound cardstock and then clipped it out so that it would be nice and sturdy. This page has a pop-up of this sweet little music paper, and I've added the foam spacer to make sure that the book will keep its shape when it's closed. So I've got another of the dies of the spider web here and a sticker as a sentiment. Here's another page with a tip in, and I'm using that coordinating papers. I have a frame here that's cut from black cardstock and topped with a more of a pumpkin color to match this vintage image, and then I've topped it with some enamel dots and a sentiment from the sticker sheet. For this page, I used a layering of die cuts of the pattern paper. This is the fishtail banner, and then I used a die cut also for this was a square cut apart, and then I just used my circle die to cut it into this shape, and then I layered it on top of this little black doily. A couple more enamel dots here and a sentiment from the sticker sheet. This page has a frame that is die cut with the pattern paper popped up again, a little banner, more of those glitter stars, and then this is the sentiment from one of the journal cards, and I just fussy cut around, leaving a little bit of a border. So that would be a nice sentiment for that page. Here's one more tip in And then more of the companion papers. Here's a sticker with a couple of enamel dots on top. And then the last page has a doily die, and it's topped with the pattern paper to create a frame. I've got a little bow here and then a larger glitter star to accent that, so you could put a nice large picture here and have it already embellished. So the back is finished in the companion paper as well, because you want it to have a nice finished look. So that is our Hocus Pocus mini album flip through, created with Nightfall from Authentique Papers. I've got flowers from Little Birdie Crafts and ribbon and trims from Really Reasonable Ribbon. I will leave links in the description below if you want to check out these products, and you can also find links to our social media sites. We're on Instagram and Facebook, and our blog and our Etsy shop. So if you enjoyed this project, give me a like, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.